Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to delete a Facebook page. So open the Facebook app and go to the menu, which is in the top right corner. Now click on Pages. Here you will find all those pages that you have created. Switch to the page that you would like to delete, and to do so, click on Switch Now. Once you have switched, go to the menu, which is in the top right corner. Scroll down and now click on Setting and Privacy. From the drop down, choose Settings. And once you are here, click on Page Settings. And you will land on a page like this. Now scroll down until you find Access and Control. So click on it. Now click on this option of Deactivate and Delete. Here we have two options. One is to deactivate and the other is to delete a page. So select the option of Delete Page and then click on Continue. In the next step, you have to provide the reason why you want to delete your page. So select a reason from the given options and then click on Continue. And before you delete your page, Facebook wants you to save your post in archive and download your information. Once you have done that, click on Delete Account. And with that, Facebook page will be deleted. By following these steps, you will be able to delete a Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.